What if I invite you to today's lunch or dinner? Or let me ask you a question. How would you prefer to have a nice chicken burger or a tender chicken breast? How about a spicy kebab? Perhaps a hot samosa or a crispy spring roll? Of course, who wouldn't mind that? Well, let me introduce you to one of the leading value-added food manufacturers with a strong footprint in GCC, Gourmet Foods, Altam. They have an unrelenting firm on quality, taste and health specifications. We are proud to have automated their complete manufacturing process, quality control, inventory management, retail and distribution, and their door-to-door delivery with SAP Business One 10.0 Feature Pack 2011. I want to share some insights on the role of 10X Limo. It is a moving store that handles all the products of Gourmet Foods in and around UAE. Gourmet Foods can completely track each vehicle and its inventory with insights on when the vehicle is out of manufacturing unit and can monitor each driver's sales performance with the added feature of printing the receipt on the move. In short, the entire process is centralized.
With the implementation, with the go live of SAP today, we would definitely be blessed to have a software like SAP in terms of inventory, in terms of finance, accounts, HR, quality control systems, approvals. There is SAP Business One and SAP HANA is there. But SAP Business One, it suits to the requirement of business like ours, which is small business. So what I was attracted or fascinated to take SAP into our company is that when we look into the systems of the SAP, it's very foolproof, it's very clear. So anybody who knows system can manage. They can, as an owner, I can sit in my house also or sit anywhere, any part of the globe and manage my business. That's the most important thing which I was attracted to buy this software. Previously we have used two softwares, and as the business was growing, those softwares were not able to support our requirement. So we were in the hunt of a much more advanced software. So we came to know about SAP Business One. So based on the various market research on the solution providers, we found that 10X is the best solution provider for the SAP Business One. Vansales portfolio, I would put it in this way, it's a cash cow. Cash cow in the sense, we never sell the goods to the cafeteria segment, especially Vansales segment, at credit. We sell at hard cash. Means the Vansales products are signature made products for the cafeteria segment, not for the retail segment. Across UAE, our Vansales is a successful story, touch wood, as of now, because we deliver tailor-made products to the cafeteria segment. So this is the success story of this company also. Now, based on my interaction with my Vansales team last couple of weeks, regarding the SAP Business One Limo software, they were all very happy because they said it's very effective and the speed is great, accuracy is good, and from the management perspective, we can track, we can easily find out what is the inventory being transferred from the head office location to the Vansales location. So Vansales location, once the inventory is transferred, it is the sole property of the salesman concerned. So moment he makes an invoice, the invoice will take the inventory from his stock which has been transferred from the head office location. This was not happening in the earlier softwares. We were in the darkness, a lot of confusions are going on, but now last 2 weeks, based on what interactions I had with my team, introduction of the 10X Limo software, my Vansales team is pretty happy in terms of the usability of the software. This brand has grown to a significant level over a period of 5 years across GCC. I would say across GCC because we cater to Saudi Arabia, we cater to Bahrain, we cater to Oman, we cater to Kuwait and UAE also. The reason for selecting 10x for the successful implementation of the SAP Business One is that we firmly believe that by virtue of selecting 10x to implement SAP Business One, this will be a stepping stone for the growth of our business way forward. Because the earlier softwares, we were not able to track, we are not able to focus on the growth of the business. By virtue of selecting the SAP Business One, which is being routed through 10x, we were able to focus, we are able to concentrate on the growth of the company for next 5 years.
Why 10x if you ask me? Because 10x has given us the best solution. According to our terms and conditions and according to the manufacturing process, they have given us a very good solution for us. And it has raised to a great height for our company. We congratulate the 10x team for giving us such a wonderful software. So we appreciate them, we always with them, we support them, or we'll join together and go forward with the new software for the company.
So that was a quick introduction to Gourmet Foods and what 10x Limo have achieved with them.